Hi everyone, I just wanted to come on here and talk about something that is a topic I think is really important for all my clients, my friends, my family. I am dealing with something to do with a mortgage company in my escrow account, and I think it's important that you all are aware of it. Hopefully what I'm going through will be something to teach you to look for so this doesn't happen to you, or maybe it's already happening to you and you don't know it. So is the lender mismanaging your money? So as you know, I've been in real estate my whole life. In 1988, I started in an appraisal office, and in 2006, I got in real estate sales. And I've owned several properties as well as some investment property, and I have had most of my accounts escrowed. One that wasn't. So what that means is when you make your mortgage payment, the lender takes the taxes and the insurance, so extra money from you to pay those bills. So sorry if I'm being very elementary for those of you that might know that, but a lot of people don't understand that. So your mortgage payment pays all those things, and they usually have a nice little pad in your escrow account so that if your taxes go up or if there's a change in the homeowner's policy, that there's money to cover that. So my question to you is, how many of you watch your mortgage statement? How many of you go in online and look at your escrow activity? If you're one of those people that does that, kudos to you, that's awesome. But as for me, even being in the business my whole life, I actually was just paying it online or automatically, and I really wasn't paying attention to the escrow account the way I should have. So last year, or basically it started for me in October 2017, I got a letter from my mortgage company, PennyMac, that services my loan, that I had inadequate insurance. I'd gotten a cancellation notice from the insurance company, my homeowner's policy. And when I started to investigate and call as to how could my payment be missed when I've made my payments on time every single month, I should not have any delinquent payments. This is something that my lender should be paying. So I immediately called, and both the mortgage company and the homeowners, sorry guys, blamed each other for the payments not being made. At the end of the day, I'm without a policy. So I jump on the phone, I call our insurance broker that my lender that I deal with gave me, and I got a new policy. A week later, I get a call from the old homeowner's insurance saying that they can reinstate me for $1,300. My premium at the time was like $600 a year, $650, $640. So I said, why would I pay twice the price to reinstate? I already found new insurance. No, thank you. Move on. Now, I don't think I need to cancel anything. I had already been told they couldn't even reinstate me. It was too far gone, and that there was nothing they could do. So I moved on with a new insurance company. Lo and behold, the old insurance company is faxing invoices to my mortgage company, multiple invoices, and my mortgage company pays them. So long story short, at the end of the day, unbeknownst to me until much later, 4 homeowners policies were paid on my account last year. So by the end of the year, now they go to pay my homeowners taxes, and there's not enough money in the account. So now they want to raise my mortgage payment. So immediately I know your mortgage payment should not go up. It should go up maybe $20, $30 at the most, because even increases in taxes are capped. So if you see a large increase in your mortgage payment, something's wrong. There's some mismanagement of your escrow account. And if you don't understand it and you're not watching it, this could happen to you. So I understood that this can't happen, and I called and I really started analyzing the escrow, and sure enough, behind my back, the homeowner's insurance had been billing my mortgage company even for premiums for 2 years prior that had already been paid. Now, my mortgage company should be skilled enough and have an escrow department that understands how to read the invoices, what they're for, and know to pay them or not pay them. They just paid all of them. So my account ended up $2,000 short. So at the end of the day, now I have to fix it. I've been relying on them to fix it. They're not fixing it. I've spent probably 15 hours in phone calls on the phone with the mortgage company, and nobody seems to know what's happened. I finally got $688 back, and then when I get the money all back, I will put it in my bank account and give it back to the mortgage company, to my escrow account, so that they can fix my escrow account back to what it was and adjust my payment back down. So if you've had any crazy fluctuations in your mortgage payment, feel free to call me. I've been through this and I will help you. But really, just a tip for you, always go in and read your mortgage statement, look at that escrow account, look at the taxes that are being paid, look at the homeowner's insurance that's being paid, and make sure it matches the premium and the policy that you chose, because these mortgage companies just get all these bills and pay them. And the same with the insurance company. They can send out mass bills, whether they're doing it purposely or not, I don't know. But I just know that you're relying on other people to manage your money, and you think that they should be better at doing it, but it's just regular customer service people sometimes. So you need to be watching that and making sure that your money is being managed properly, because you don't want to have your mortgage payment go up at all. Hi, George. So if you have any problems like that, or you look and you see any extra payments, feel free to call me. I will go over it with you and help you with that. But I don't want this to happen to you. I have been 2 months fighting this. I would like to see my mortgage payment go back to normal. But if it can happen to me, guys, it can absolutely happen to you. So let me know if you need help. Hope yours is being paid properly, but obviously this can happen. So I will talk more about this as it develops and let you know how it goes. Have a great night.